If commercial pilot license in South Africa is quoted around 50 lakhs, be ready with extra 10 to 15 lakh buffer. Here's why. Welcome aboard to episode 16 of my series Behind the Scenes. In this episode, we'll be talking about the hidden cost on an FTO. The first thing that comes up is you need 200 hours, but let's be real, everyone needs almost extra hours. You need to write exams, so re-exams, normal exams, the ground school fees, accommodation, living expenses, traveling expenses, approach and landing fees at different airports cost you different thing, and the most important thing, variation in currency. Yes, that affects a lot. The variation in fuel prices plays a very major role. So read the fine print before signing, and for more information like this, follow my Instagram page for more real advice on becoming a commercial pilot. Till then, see you in the skies tomorrow.